Hey guys, it's MS Boner 7 here. I just hooked into my second fish. Got off the phone with my dad. He's coming down to pick me up. And so this is a pretty good carp. Oh, he's a big black one. Gotta loosen my drag so I don't lose him. Let's try and see if we can.
Don't lose him.
Get him up on the surface there. Oh, you can see him stirring up all the mud.
Ooh, he's a good one. There you go.
Come around you right over here in the shallows. I'm wearing my trapping boots today, so because it's pretty mucky down here because it just got a big rainstorm.
Oh, it just stopped at 51 seconds.
Yeah, it's all right. It runs out of time. Oh, here we go. Land.
Oh, never mind. It's still going.
Oh, it is? Oh.
It just froze
Yeah,
up.
it just stops doing that. Here we go.
Woo!
Him. Oh. No, there
He's
goes
running.
Again. Trying to tire him out a little bit. Trying to get my drag set good.
Look at him.
There we go.
He's a brute, dude.
We're gonna get him landed, right?
Oh, nice.
Oh crap! Here we go.
There you go.
Landed. Let's go get the hook out of him and weigh him.
Nice fish. He's got a big gross mouth on him. Bleh.
All right. Hook this right.